Solution of fourth sum, second fourth, that is 3x minus y is equal to 2 and 2x minus y is equal to 3. तो इसका solution क्या हो जाएगा? So first of all I am making the table. For that we are taking this first equation, that is 3x minus y is equal to 2. Clear? 3x minus y is equal to 2, and for that, so therefore 3x is equal to y plus 2. Okay, therefore y is equal to 3x minus 2. Clear? Okay, so this is your equation. Now we have to make this equation table. तो इसका हम एक टेबल बनाते हैं, and then after we will draw the graph. Okay, so here is table. Here is table, and so x and y and x comma y. Okay, so now we have to take 4 values, so we are making here 4 lines. Okay, 4 values are there. Suppose that we are taking x is equal to minus 1. So if we are taking x is equal to minus 1, so minus 1 into 3 is equal to what? Minus 3, and minus 3 and minus 2, that is what? Minus 5. So y is equal to what? Minus 5. Clear? Okay, so solution is here what? Minus 1, minus 5. Okay, same here, next time we are taking 0. X is equal to 0. Okay, so if we taking x is equal to 0, so what is there? X is equal to 0, so 3 into 0, 0, minus 2, there y is equal to what? Minus 2. So there 0 minus 2. Okay, now come to x is equal to 1. So x is equal to 1, so 3 1 is 3, 3 minus 2, that is what? 1. So here is what? 1 comma 1. Okay, now if x is equal to 2, if x is equal to 2, so y is equal to what? 3 2 just 6, 6 minus 2, that is what? 4. So we are getting what? 2 comma 4. Clear? So this is the table for the first equation, that is 3x minus y is equal to 2. Clear? Now suppose that we have to make a table for the second equation. Second equation is what? 2x minus y is equal to 3. Okay, so same as come to here for now making table for 2x minus y is equal to 3. Clear? 2x minus y is equal to 3. So therefore 2x minus y is equal to 3. Therefore 2x is equal to 3 plus y. Therefore x is equal to how much? X is equal to, sorry, therefore 2x minus 3 is equal to y. Clear? So we got value of y, that is 2x minus 3. Clear? So now we will solve this. We will make a table for this equation also. So I'm making here. So this is the equation here. And its table I am making. Okay, so its equation here, x, y, and we will take 4. There are 4 options. So x, y, x comma y. Clear? Okay. Now suppose that x is equal to 0. X is equal to 0. So y is equal to what? 0 to the 0, 0 minus 3. That is what? Minus 3. Okay. Clear? So x is equal to 0. So y is equal to what? Minus 3. So we are getting value what? 0 minus 3. Clear? Okay. 0 minus 3. Okay. And x is equal to what? Suppose that we are taking 2. So 2 to the 4. 4 minus 3, that is what? 1. Okay. So y is equal to 1. We got. So 2 comma 1. Okay. X is equal to, suppose that 3. So 3 to the 6. Okay. Sorry, x is equal to, we are taking 3. इतना लंबा 3 लेंगे, 6 नहीं लेंगे. So suppose that if we are taking x is equal to 3, so 3 to just 6, 6 minus 3, that is what? We are getting 3. Clear? So we getting what? 3 comma 3. Okay? We getting 3 comma 3. Okay? Now, suppose that if we are taking 4, so 2 4 is 8. 8 minus 3, that is what? Y is equal to 5. Okay? 2 4 is 8. 8 minus 3, that is what? 5. So 4 5. So we getting what? 4 comma 5. Okay? So here this is the table. Clear? We got the table. Now we have to find out, we have to draw its graph. Okay? Both equations graph we have to draw. So table is the right na? Okay? -1 -5 0 -2 and 1 1 and 2 4, and here also 0 -3 2 1 3 3 and 4 5. Okay, so table is right. Let us we draw the graph. Okay, so I am drawing the graph here. So for making graph, so now you draw the x-axis and y-axis. Okay, so x-axis and y-axis. this is what here x axis, and here is what y dash, and it is what y axis. Clear? And here is what x dash. Okay, y dash. So I'm making here now.